And there's no easy way to say this, but you know, I've always been honest with this channel. I've always been pretty upfront with everything. Wow, I didn't expect to be this nervous about discussing this. I'm actually pretty nervous. Oh my God. I mean, I definitely messed up here pretty badly, and haven't been entirely honest with everybody lately since since kind of like December. You know, since then I've always been putting on a front here, and I think it's time I let you guys know what's kind of going on behind the scenes here. But I made a video a while ago that I bought Bitcoin when it was at 17,000. And, you know, in that video, I just kind of mentioned that I had bought what I could afford to lose and that it wasn't a big deal. That's kind of the point where I kind of went wrong. I had someone I trusted who was deeply involved with cryptocurrency, who was telling me, was assuring me that he knew that this was going to be going up in price and was going to be hitting about 25,000. And we were at a point then where I just got wildly excited about it. I kind of let myself, I lost track of my judgment at that point. And I mortgaged everything that I had. So stupid. I took a loan out on every single one of my 5 properties, and I maxed that out, and then was able to get some further loans through, you know, my bank, and I put it all in Bitcoin. And it was, I honestly thought that we were going to ride the wave up to me. It was going to hit 20,000, and it did. And then I thought it was going to hit, you know, 24, and then at 24 I would sell it and then pay back everything. And that was my plan. When it dropped, I really felt like, you know, it was going to recover. It was going to be fine. It was a short-term hiccup, but it kept going down. And then it kept going down. And in the back of my mind, I believed that it was just going to be going back up. It didn't. And you know, I took out more money than I was really comfortable with, and the payments were pretty high, but I had enough that I could be making these payments, you know, and my thought was I can make these payments on the loans, my properties, long enough for Bitcoin to recover. And then I thought, as soon as it hits the same point that I bought at, I'm gonna sell it all and then just walk away and just be even, and that would be fine. I could pay everything back. But it kept going down. And when it hit about 6,700, I thought, you know, I should just sell. Stupid, because it hit 6,700 and then it went back up to about 8,000. But I was, you know, I got what I could. But at that point, it wasn't enough to pay back what I owed. I lost almost 70% of my investment. So I put it all in Tron, which I felt at the time was undervalued, and that was about 7 cents when I bought Tron. I just sold that this morning for 3 cents. So you know, wow. You know, the thing is, Dave Ramsey is right. I mean, there's no such thing as good debt. I was under the impression that you could leverage your money and make more money, but Dave is right, man. Dave is totally right. I mean, there's no such thing as good debt. You know, we should always buy things in cash. You should, credit cards, you know, I put everything on credit cards because I, you know, couldn't really pay for anything else. So it's, credit cards all maxed out. Like $110,000 of credit that's all maxed out now. So, you know, the thing is, I've made money before, and I'll make it all back. But I have to, I'm selling off everything that I have, and I don't think that's going to be enough to pay off what I owe. So I might need to look into, filing bankruptcy and just starting over. I won't be able to buy real estate for another 7 years just because, my credit would be shot, but I don't really have any other choice. I wish I had a lesson here. I guess the only lesson here is April Fools, you guys. I had to. I realized it was April Fools this morning, and I was like, oh my God, should I do a video? Should I do something like this? Last minute, I'm just like, yes, I should. I hope you guys got onto the joke early on. I'm sorry. It was April Fools. I have never done an April Fools video before. I had to do it. No, I did not go bankrupt buying Bitcoin and leveraging everything. But I haven't owned Bitcoin, by the way, since December. So, take that for what it's worth. I'm totally kidding on all of this. I had to. Hope I pranked you guys good. We'll be back with the regular videos tomorrow. And I had to do this. April Fools. There we go. Hope I got you guys. If I got you guys, hit the like button. Hit the like button if I got you. And yeah, I wish I had more to say other than that, but I'm just kidding. And happy Easter for everyone that celebrates Easter. And I will see you guys back at it with a new video tomorrow.